What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had a wonderful day. Today was probably one of the best days in recent memory for sure. This was a really solid day. Absolutely crushed it. I'm going to be walking you guys through all the fib plays, taking you there step by step. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First profits on the day for me, guys, $5,316. Really good day. Let me go ahead and just retweet this out. Let everybody know that we are live and ready to roll. Okay, so live now. Let me show you how I crushed it with the fibs. Oh, what do we have in the building today? Let me go ahead and shout you guys out. So we have AV Trading Wars Army. What's going on? Good to see you. Bad Indie Trading Wars Army. Good to see you. CA Trading Wars Army. Good to see you. Alicia Jackson Trading Wars Army. We have a lot of people Trading Wars Army in the house today. Nicholas, what's going on? Trading Wars in the house. All about Angie. What's going on? Trading Wars Army. Nick, what's going on? Nicholas, what's going on? Andy, good to see you. All right, guys. Right, what I'm going to do right now, guys, with the fibs is I'm going to blow your mind. I'm absolutely going to blow your mind today, all right? So hit me with a 9 if you're ready to rock and roll. Let me hit the replay and let me walk you through this step range breakout, okay? So the 3-minute opening range breakout, it filled us to the downside, and we were able to hit a first target pretty quickly, guys. So I'm just going to draw the high to the low. So we tag the 272 right there. So we hit the first target, and then we came back up and started to chop a little bit. So what I did, guys, is something that's pretty amazing, actually. I was pretty happy about this. So as we chopped, and we chopped a little bit here, I cut the opening range breakout for a scratch trade, and then I just waited for the fibs. So let me show you the fib now. So let me go ahead and draw the high to the low right here. And I was waiting for this 618 Fibonacci, okay? And we got filled right there. So here was our 618 Fibonacci. My stop was at the high. And as always, guys, I draw this out in real time for the members. And I said, let's see how this candle closes. I'm trying short again. Stops at high of day using the 618 fib. Send me the red. So right here, guys, that was my morning live call out. We took that fib right there on the 618, covered into new low territory, and I was able to leave a runner with a break-even stop on this line. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw this line so we can keep it there as a reference. All right, so hit me with a 2 if you followed me so far on that first trade. Okay, because that first trade, guys, was a 618 right here. And I'm going to show you something that's going to be really crazy right now. Okay, so that was the first play that we took. And then we went to the Fibonacci live setup rooms. And Derry went ahead and drew the fib. So he said, Rich caught the beauty of a 618 of a micro fib this morning. This is looking like a good opportunity to re-enter the morning leg. So we drew the next leg here, guys, which was right here. So here was our high and our low. So let me show you that now. Okay, so we take our fib from the high, bring it down to the low. So this was the actual morning leg, right? And we had our high and our low right here. Okay, so let's pause right here for a second. Okay, and let me ask you guys a question. If you see this chart right now, would you be comfortable taking a short? So we had two big, powerful, bullish candles. Would you be comfortable taking that short? Hit me with a 1 if you would be comfortable taking a short. Hit me with a 2 if your mind would be like, no, that looks bullish. Okay, I want to know what you guys think. All right, so hit me with a 1 if you would have went ahead and took that short. Hit me with a 2 if not. Okay, and let's see. So we posted this here. These were our entries on the 618 and the 786. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw that. So our first short entry is right. Let me get the short tool right here. And then the second short entry is right here. Okay, so we have both of those. So we come in, we get filled. That right there, guys, that's the power of fibs. Like, it looks bullish at the time. It looks like it's going to keep going, but the Fibonacci shows you things that you can't see on the chart because we know that's where the algorithm could be. And now I want to show you the real magic here. So we made a new low. We came right to the 786 extension, but let me show you something now. Okay, this part's going to blow your mind. If I draw the Fibonacci of the gap, which is one of the other fibs that I teach people, we landed right on the 618 here. And my friends, you're going to be surprised, but that was the low of the day. So it was absolutely insane. Fib after fib after fib. Everything was fibs today, guys. And then the last afternoon Fibonacci leg right here, if I take it from this low to the high, exactly on the 786. Look at this. Algo fill. You see that? Right on the 786, guys. And I'm just so excited to share this with you because literally everything today was a fib. Every single thing, every single trade. And we covered two of them. So I covered this one live and Derry posted this one live, and then the rest of the day was a reversal here with another fib like there. Honestly, hit me with a 10 right now if your mind is blown. Hit me with a 10. Like that blew my mind. Like literally, let's do that again. So we had that first 618. Okay, that's there. It traded to the 50. It popped back up. Okay, and then we take this one again. High to low here. Another 618 came down to the 786. This lined up exactly with the 618 extension of the gap. It's like it's crazy. And then we had this last push here, which tagged the 786. Today was a money day. Absolute money day. Textbook money day, guys. Beautiful. No way to lose money today. Absolutely no way. Okay. And just a little update on my call. So remember, I told you guys last week, and we posted this in the Discord, that this could be the bottom of 2022. And very few people did believe me, but I bet you a lot of people are starting to think like that now after they delete their tweets. But right here, guys, we caught the bottom, literally the bottom. I used the 272 extension. Watch this. I used the 272 here to load up, guys. We've already popped up. This trade, these calls, guys, are doubled. It depends on how far out you went, but if you're just taking futures, it's about 100 points right there. All right. So this is just amazing, guys. And I still think it doesn't matter if this is the bottom or not because we already made money. But if it is, guys, and I have some of these leap plays and some of these longer plays, we're going to make a lot of money. So thank you so much for following along and learning and being here for class. I really appreciate it. And I really hope that I can add value to you guys. So thank you very much. Okay. So that was the fibs. That was the live call outs that we did today. Hit me with a 7 if we're all good with that. Because I got to show you a few more things that were awesome today. And make sure you're filling out your 100 trade challenge journal. Please make sure you're filling this out. Okay, because there was at least 3 to 5, depends on if you're trading stocks as well, but there were 3 to 5 great trades today. And I need to see you fill this out because I want to hold you accountable. I want to hold you accountable. I want you to make sure you fill this damn thing in. Fill this thing in. I'm filling mine in as well. And I'm going to share it with you guys at the end of the challenge. So please do me a favor. Fill in your 100 trade tracker. It's going to calculate your win rate, your profit, etc. Okay. All right. So SPY was good money making day. And just something that I wanted to point out was the advanced patterns. So remember, I taught you guys about the nirvanas. So there was 3 nirvanas today. The first one was an absolute beauty. And if you don't understand the fibs, you can just trade these patterns. This is a part of my nirvana indicator. It comes with my book. You get it for life. Okay. So these, you can just trade the blues or the yellow highlights. All right. Boom. Let's continue. All right. So like I said here, guys, the Fibonacci live stock room. So we did Apple today. So let's recap Apple. Right. I made a lot of money on Apple today, guys. I made a good bit of money on Apple today. Let me show you how I did it. So let me go back here to the Twitter. I'll show you my P&L. So I closed today on Apple about a little over 1,000. I think it was like 11 something. And I closed Nvidia right here for 1.18K. So that was like the bulk of my gains today. The rest I made on some other things, some options and stuff like that. But I closed those share positions today. So let's go here. And I'm going to teach you guys something called the retest. And we'll also talk about the fibs. All right. So here we go. So if you go to the trade plan, I post the plan every day. So the Apple long plan was 147.19 with a stop loss at 146.24. The time frame is right here, 5-minute chart. Okay. So if we go right here and I draw that in, well, our entry was 147.19. So a lot of people always ask me about this. So Rich, what do we do if we gap up above the price? What do we do? So what do you guys think we do? What would you do? So we opened up here. Your entry is down here, right? What do you do? What do you do when we gap up above your price, guys? And today is just a great lesson in that. So that's why I wanted to make sure that I share this with you guys. So our entry right here was 147.19. Our target was 148.08. Our stop was 146.24. What do you do when we open above? Well, you wait for the retest. Okay. So we came back down, guys, all the way to our entry. And that's exactly where I got in on Apple. Okay. So I got in. I don't know if you can see it. If you can see the buys. Okay. So you can only see when I got out. So I got out at 149.58, which is basically at the close. But my entry, guys, was right on this red line. So we came to this red line, we tagged it, we got filled, and we popped. So you can always leave that order open. So anybody that's doing the automated trades, you can leave that order open. And then we also drew the Fibonacci today in real time. So let's talk about that. So we had our high and our low established pretty early in the day. So how do you trade the why is this always going on this side? Let me change that back. Left. Okay. So how do we trade this? Same thing, guys. So here was our high, here was our low. That's our impulsive leg down. We came back to the 618. If you notice on the 618, we have all of these candles create a waterfall, except for this candle where we have an inverted hammer and the low breaks. So this trading opportunity on the fib right here, the 618, as well as the 786, guys, were great scalping opportunities. You could have taken it back down twice. All right. So that's how you can also use the afternoon leg fibs. All right. So that was really nice. That was really nice. And for Nvidia, guys, it was the same thing. So let me just show you Nvidia. So Nvidia had our order open right around here, came back, we filled it, popped right back up. So that's how you do it whenever you want to get a retest. You don't chase. You never chase. What you do is you can wait for a fib or you can take the retest. Never chase. Chasing always ends up in low profitability, and we don't want to do that. All right, guys. So that was it. Make sure you're filling out your 100 trade tracker here, and I want to see the results, guys. I'm going to keep you accountable for that. As always, guys, the fib room is the new room that's been killing it. SPY was really fair today, guys. It was just amazing when you think about it. Everything was a fib, and it was great. It was great, guys. All right, so that's it for me. A pretty short recap. Keeping it simple today, locked in. I followed all of my plans today. We just hit everything that we could. And one thing that I wanted to mention was just like, you guys know that long term I'm bullish, right? Long term I'm bullish, and I took this long calls right down here, and we already made money. But that doesn't mean intraday that I can't short these fibs. That doesn't mean that I can't take these fibs to the downside, right? Because I'm shorting the 618 here, I'm shorting the 618 here. Okay, I'm shorting it and still making green. Okay, so what you do on an intraday time frame doesn't necessarily have to be the same thing as what you believe in the long term. The main thing is we're trying to make money. So it's almost even better if your long-term portfolio, let's say it's bullish, and you can come intraday and hit some shorts, because that's going to protect you from a hedging perspective. Okay, hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. Right. And yeah, I see someone's asking about the SPY retest. Let's see. So the SPY trigger today was 403.33. So let me go ahead and draw that in. So I didn't take this retest because I already made my money in the morning, but let's just check. Perfect, guys. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It really does. Today was an amazing day. It was really good. Really, really happy. I'm really happy to share this with you guys. All right. Clean. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Before I go, I want you to go ahead and send me the rockets. Send me the rockets in the chat right now, because this week I think is going to be a great week. A very, very good week. I mean, I already made 5,000 today. I really want to go for like 10, 15K. So send me the rockets and send yourself the rockets so that we could go ahead and just make sure this week is profitable. All right. I want everybody to be profitable. I don't care if you're going long or short or sideways. I want us all to make money. That's my goal. We're a community, help each other out. Thank you, my friends, so much for your time. Please go ahead and leave a comment, like and subscribe. We did a giveaway yesterday. So whenever you do comment, you have a chance to win a giveaway. So please comment on the video. It helps me out a lot. And thanks so much. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. You can sign up and get any one of my 3 books. It comes with 1 month for free, and we'll see you live in the trading room tomorrow. Like I said, the new Fibonacci channels that we've created have been a big hit. We do the fibs in real time for anyone that's struggling with that, or you can sign up directly right here on the main page. Thank you for your time. Good day. Let's continue to keep this momentum, and let's go ahead and try to finish the week even more green. All right, take care.